Hi foodies. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Hope to see you again.
Enthusiasts. Welcome back to Semih Bulgur's channel, where we turn fresh ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Today, we're diving into the timeless elegance of a classic Caesar salad. Get ready for crisp romaine, savory croutons, and that signature Caesar dressing. Let's bring a touch of sophistication to your salad bowl. In a bowl, whisk together olive oil, crushed garlic, Dijon mustard, anchovy fillets, if using, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Chop or tear the fresh romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large bowl. Toss in the croutons and generously sprinkle shaved or grated Parmesan cheese over the lettuce. Pour the Caesar dressing over the salad, ensuring an even coating. Toss the salad until every leaf is coated in the delicious dressing. Finish with an additional sprinkle of Parmesan on top for that extra burst of flavor. Capture the vibrant green of the romaine lettuce and the luscious drizzle of Caesar dressing. Showcase the tossing of the salad, ensuring each leaf is beautifully coated. Make your own croutons by tossing cubes of bread with olive oil, garlic powder, and herbs, then baking until golden. Adjust the intensity of the dressing by controlling the amount of anchovies and garlic. There you have it, our classic Caesar salad, a symphony of freshness and flavor that's sure to elevate any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary delights, and let me know in the comments what salad creation you'd like to see next. Until then, happy tossing and bon appetit.